Hello children, welcome to class 5 social studies. Previous class we have discussed the Stone Age, three stages of Stone Age. Which are the three stages of Stone Age? The Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and the Neolithic period. Okay, understood all of you? Yes. Today we will learn about Chalcolithic age. What is Chalcolithic age? Chalcos means copper and lithos means stone. So Chalcolithic age was copper age. It was about 6000 years ago that humans started using copper. Along with the stone tools, they made tools of copper which were far better than the stone ones. This age is also referred to as the Copper Stone Age, as both stone and copper were used. So previous class when we discussed about Neolithic period, we learned at the end of the Neolithic period people started making metal tools. Okay, so after this Neolithic period Chalcolithic age started, and this Chalcolithic age along with the stone tools also they used, but at the same time they started making copper tools also. So this age, this period, this time period is otherwise known as Copper Stone Age. Which age? Copper Stone Age. Chalcolithic age is otherwise known as Copper Stone Age because both stone and copper were used during this time. Okay, then it lasted for a short span of time, that is 4000 BC to 2000 BC. It was a very short time period, 4000 to 2000 BC. This period marked a change from the use of stone to metals. So this is a period, transition period from stone tools to metal tools. Not completely metal tools, stone tools were also used, but metal they started. Then during this period, people of Chalcolithic period used painted earthenware. Earthenware means pots, pottery items. So they started painting the pottery items. Usually they used black and red colors. Nowadays also during the festivals like Diwali and other festivals we paint our pots with different colors. Okay, so this techniques, this system was existed in the early times also. So some of the painted pottery items were, famous items were dishes on stand, stemmed cups, spouted vase and big storage jars. Okay, which are the different pottery painted items? Dishes on stand, stemmed cups, spouted vases, big storage jars. Okay, this is the picture of the Chalcolithic men. They are making tools, metal tools. Okay, these are different metal items made by the people. This is the spouted vase, different vase, spouted vase. Storage jars, big storage jars, jar to collect the grains and water, etc. Stemmed cups in order to drink tea or other drinks, stemmed cups. This is dishes on stand, barthans. Okay, dishes on stand. So these are the different pottery items made by the early humans in Chalcolithic period. Okay, understood? Then they constructed houses with stones, mud and bricks. The houses were rectangular and circular with roofs made up of straw, bamboo and wood. So instead of hut, they started making houses, rectangular houses and circular houses. And their roofs were made up of straw, bamboo and wood, and floors were made up of clay. Okay, floors were made up of clay and roofs were made up of straw, bamboo and wood. Then Chalcolithic communities traded through barter system. What is trade? Trade, I think we have already learned. Trade means buying and selling of goods. Okay, and in order to buy and sell goods, they used barter system. What is meant by barter system? Barter system means exchange of goods. Nowadays we have money. So in order to buy things from the shop or from other people, we give money instead of the things. Okay. So that time, the Chalcolithic period or early Man's period, no money. Money was not introduced. So that time, instead of money, they exchange other goods to the people. Which thing we need, that things we buy from other people, and which things that we have, and if they want that things, we will give that things to them. Okay. In this way, exchange of goods from one person to another person instead of money, that system is known as barter system. So in order to perform trade or to buy and sell goods from one person to another person, barter system they used. So for this trade, people traveled for a long distances through bullock carts, and river transport were also used. Bullock carts means the carts pulled by the bulls, and wheeled bullock carts. After the invention of the wheel, they used wheeled bullock carts, and this wheeled bullock carts, sometimes they used the river means of transport to travel from one place to another place to perform this trade. Okay. And trade was performed or traded through the barter system. Which system? Barter system. Barter system means exchange of goods. Clear? Yes. Then next, during this time, the dead were buried in a particular direction. When people die, the dead bodies they did not throw here and there, but they found a special place, and their dead bodies were buried in that particular direction. Remains of both human and animal burials have been found by the archaeologist. Then people began to travel for a long distance to obtain metal ores. So in order to make metal tools and weapons, they need metal ores. No, what is this metal ores? Ores means the crude form or natural form of metals. From where we get metal? From the earth. That means metals are minerals that are buried deep under the earth. So in order to dig out the metals from the burial places, we make large mines. We have to dig large mines, and by this mining process we get the metal ores. And when it get the metal, it is in the form of crude form, that is ore form. And in order to obtain or get metal ores to make their tools and implements, Chalcolithic people traveled for a long distance. Okay. So this resulted in various Chalcolithic sites in different parts of India. So when they traveled a long distance and collect the metal ores, and they made houses that area and make different metal items. So different areas they settled. So this sites, that means Chalcolithic site, have been found by the archaeologists. In this way, they understood about their life. Okay. So the stone copper age of India produced a splendid civilization in the Indus Valley. Indus Valley you have already learned in class 4, no? When we learn about ancient India, first we learn the Indus Valley civilization. So that is the first civilization or first settled life of the people. So in our country, Indus, on the banks of the river Indus, the people settled. That is why it is known as Indus Valley civilization. So the Indus Valley site of Rajasthan, archaeologists found a stored copper age of this people, Chalcolithic people. Okay. Understood? Yes. Then next, people had no knowledge of mixing two metals, due to which they couldn't use bronze. So that time Chalcolithic people, they had no idea about the mixing of two metals. By mixing two metals, we will get another metal. So that time they did not have any idea of mixing of metals. So they did not use the bronze, only copper they used this period. And ivory carvers, they were expert in coppersmiths and ivory carvers. Ivory means the tusk of the elephant and other animals, no? So ivory, in this ivory also they made some things, and in metal also they made different tools and implements. Okay. So this is about the Chalcolithic period. Chalcolithic means copper stone age, and this period, along with the stone, they used copper. And earthenware, they painted different earthen painted items were dishes on stands, termed cups, spouted vase, big storage jars. Then metal ores they found to make more and more metal tools. It was more better than the stone tools. Then in order to perform trade they used barter system, that means exchange of goods. Then different houses they made, circular and rectangular houses. Their roofs were made up of straw, bamboo and wood. Floors were made up of clay. Then their dead bodies were buried in a particular site. So these are all about the Chalcolithic period. Read this portion very well, and tomorrow I will give you question answer. Okay, bye.